Oh my goodness. Look at that.
What do you need?
Good morning. Hi guys.
From this summer breeze.
Welcome back to my channel. It is 7 a.m. bright and early. We skipped the gym today and instead we are going to be having a full wellness day. So we're going to do all the things today. We are going to be going to the drugstore and doing a little stock up. I'm so excited for that. I need to get a car wash. I actually have a girlfriend visiting me right now. She's asleep in the next room. You guys will see her later, but we're gonna make some banana bread, which I'm so excited for. We're just gonna have a really fun day of filling our cup. I'm about to take Cleo outside on her morning walk. It's like the perfect time of morning. All right, it's time to go. Don't get too cozy. Let's go. Good girl. It is actually like a cold, cozy fall day today, but I feel like I could not have picked a better day to do this because it's such like good early fall weather. All right, I just finished getting ready. First of all, I have to say it feels so good just to have a little break in my normal routine because as you guys know, I usually wake up and I go to the gym at 6, and just to like take a day off from doing that is really fun. It's nice when you have company in town, you can kind of get out of the routine a little bit. But I'm finishing up my espresso. How do you guys drink your coffee? I drink mine all types of ways, but right now I'm just having 2 shots of espresso on ice. And because this is like a fall themed video, I thought we could add some ground cinnamon. I'm already like halfway through this, but I think that's so much fun to add little things to spice up your coffee, even if you're making it yourself. Wow. Anyways, it is time to get our day started. I am first gonna run to the drugstore. I have missed American drugstores so badly, and they actually have the best sales for fall, so I'm really excited about that because I know a lot of stuff is going to be on sale. So we're heading there first and just doing a little light stock up. I just have like a list of some random stuff that I've been needing to get. Some of it is new and then some of it I'm just going to repurchase. But yeah, that is our plan for this morning. I will see you guys in a little bit.
Thank you so much to CVS for partnering with me on this video. I'm just in the middle of my shopping and I'm very impressed. I didn't even know CVS had all of this workout gear. This is all awesome. Very on brand for our wellness theme today, but oh, I want to get some of these. It has been so long since I did a car haul. I used to do these all the time back in college. So let's do a fun little CVS car haul right now. They're actually having a giant fall wellness sale. It's going on from right now until October 11th, and they had just so many good sales in there. Be sure to like just make sure you're signed up for their extra care card, which is free obviously, but with that card you will get so many more discounts. I've had the extra care card for like 15 plus years. Back when I was first getting into makeup, I used to always come to CVS and use my extra care card for that. So starting off, I got some of these Ollie gummies. I'm trying to incorporate more vitamin D into my like daily wellness routine just because I know all the benefits of it, and this has both vitamin D and saffron in it. These are called their Hello Happy gummy worms for an upbeat mood. Next up, I got some liquid IV. I saw that they had this type which has the immunity support with vitamin C in it, so I was like, we gotta have this, especially with like cold and flu season coming up. But I love making one of these just like in the afternoon for a fun little drink. These used to be such a favorite of mine. I haven't had these in a while, but I did pick up a box of the Quest chocolate chip cookie dough protein bars. I love to cut one of these up and then put it on my little protein yogurt bowl that I have at night. Got some random bathroom stuff like some Colgate's Optic White mouthwash, and then also Band-Aids just because I was out. Okay, and then to wrap up the haul, I got a couple of just like my basic pantry stuff that I go through every day. This Orgain collagen, I put this into my morning smoothies and my coffee every single day. I repurchased this so many times. CVS has a lot to choose from when it comes to like collagen and protein powder. Last thing I picked up are just some almonds because I was out and I needed some. But yeah, that's my little haul. I gotta do more of these car hauls because they're so much fun. But once again, the CVS Fall Wellness Sale is running until October 11th. They make it such a breeze to just grab all types of products you might need for your household. And if you guys didn't know, they also have an app and you can use that to take advantage of their same day delivery. They have an in-store pickup option and just like a basic buy online option via their app. So shop the wellness sale if you are like me and you love stocking up on all of your favorites. I can't wait to have a chocolate protein smoothie soon. And thank you so much to CVS for partnering with me on this video. Let's go ahead and continue on with more of our errands. Then we're gonna go home later and get some of this stuff put up. We have a busy day ahead. We're also gonna go do some work at a cafe later and get a little fall wellness vision board put together because I've been really meaning to do that. So let's carry on and get this car cleaned up. I gotta just give it a good wipe down and a good washing, and then I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. Oh Lord. Don't you miss cafes in Korea?
The cafe culture is so good.
It was so good. Nothing can compare, but we're making it work. Have you seen the bull up there before? Isn't it cute?
Looking for somebody I can play yellow cards, sing along to some songs when we at the bar. Smoke a J as we sway, waving through the parking lot, shining star in the dark.
Yeah, I like it strong.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. Perfect. Not too bad of a little fall harvest, if I do say so myself. Where is it? Look, she's so smart. She goes, it's over here.
I'll go and get it while I'm working.
With our kombuchas, wellness girlies. Cleo, we're gonna make you a wellness girly with your food.
What do you need from this summer breeze?
You guys want to know something funny? I have it that I have very much kept since Korea. Bring him over. I freeze, guys. I still freeze my food trash in America, even though I have a garbage disposal and I have valet trash service that comes every night. It is just so comfortable, in my opinion, to freeze your food trash. There's no smells. There's barely any flies. I feel like it's not really reasonable if you're in a big family, obviously, but for a single person, highly recommend.
But to roam free in love's offer.
What a yummy dessert.
Love is like a weed.
Whoa. Good morning. It is the next day now. Y'all, that, what's it called, banana bread that we made last night was so amazing. If you have bananas, please make it. I am so glad we added the nuts and the cinnamon, and I had a slice last night, had a slice this morning, and I'm probably gonna have another slice tonight because it was just that great. Definitely will be the first of many fall recipes I share on my channel this year. I'm having so much fun having access to more baking ingredients. Like, I also bought pumpkin spice, you know, in a little bottle. So just very much looking forward to more baking. But I wanted to show you guys the little fall wellness Pinterest board I put together
at the cafe yesterday because I realized I did not show you, and I highly encourage you to make something like this. I'm not talking about a fall mood board. I'm talking about a fall wellness board to really like, I guess, hone in and emphasize like how you plan to kind of take care of yourself during the new season. I'm the type of person who like, I'm gonna get really overwhelmed if I make a huge Pinterest board just for fall. I have to have like different little subcategories, I guess you could say. I'll let y'all kind of just skim it first. Oh my gosh, this salad looks so great. Definitely want to do more bubble baths, and I want to get like a specific fall bubble bath fragrance. If you guys have any recommendations, let me know. Definitely want to do more fall roasts, lots of fall hot girl walks, and I want to find a new walking route for fall because it just is going to be a fun way to switch up the season. I want to get more into making fall soups. Please comment below your favorite simple soup recipe. I'd love to hear that. Continue up with my, fruits and veggies, lots and lots of small glimmers. That is definitely a form of wellness and self-care. So I want to get more flowers, go farmer's market, get more into books. You guys saw me get a library card recently. I found this, which I wanted to share. It's like a cozy girl fall 4-week challenge. I'm not going to follow this exactly, but I just thought it had some really good ideas, like have a movie night with one of your fall films, want to scenic drive, send a handwritten note to a friend, just like very fun ways that you can like switch up your everyday life and routine things you do. Final one I wanted to show you is this. I'm definitely going to be doing this. Things I'm looking forward to this fall, just writing a long little list. And I'll probably do this in a future video because I'm not really like super in the fall spirit just yet because it's still quite warm here. It's cute. Cinnamon everything, Uggs. Oh my gosh, so excited for Uggs. October Air, that's a really good one. Or Christmas excitement, I love that. But yeah, that is my cute little fall health and wellness Pinterest board. I'm definitely going to be adding to it. Let me know if you guys think I missed anything on here. It just makes me so happy looking at this. Like, I'm genuinely so excited for a new season. If you find yourself sometimes like having difficulty with the transition of seasons, I really encourage you just to find small little ways like I did in this vlog to improve like your mental and physical health, just doing little things in your everyday life. I swear it all adds up and it's such a domino effect. I was talking to Beth about this. Like, you can be kind of in like a low place in life sometimes, and if you just start with maybe a 10-minute wellness morning meditation, that will then lead to you craving a healthy breakfast probably, which will then lead to you wanting to go on a hot girl walk. So it really is just a fun domino effect when it comes to implementing more like health and wellness habits into your life, I feel like. Let me know if you guys have an experience with the domino effect, because I know for a fact I definitely do. We're coming up on the 2-year anniversary of me really like taking control of my health and prioritizing moving my body and eating healthy, and it just is crazy how much better I feel in my everyday life. So I hope this video can motivate you to do something good for your body. If you're still here, comment below your favorite fall themed emoji, whether that is corn, a leaf, a nut, the pie. Just, I want to see what y'all's favorite fall-y emoji is. That's about it for the vlog. I love you so much. Feel free to follow me on Instagram and TikTok for more behind the scenes, and I'll see y'all very soon in the next vlog. Bye guys. Happy fall.